Ladies and gentlemen,
You're rocking with the best.
Got the scoop. I fuck with got the scoop.
Thank you, got the scoop. I love you.
We got the scoop in here. Like, oh, it is vibey.
I got the truth. What up, y'all? This your girl Shay from Got the Scoop, and we're about to get into your girl Asian the Brat and Tokyo Vanity. Your girl Asian the Brat was posted up with Tokyo Vanity's ex, and from a close source, I'm hearing some things. We are also going to get into your girl Leray talking about somebody out here paying bloggers and blogs not to post him. Want to know what's that about? Also, your boy Ray had some words from Leray and wanted to tone her little ass down right quick. Make sure you smash that like button. Make sure you turn the notification. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, make sure you subscribe to the channel because you stay in the loop. We got the scoop and you won't miss none of our videos. Okay, now let's go. So yesterday, rapper BCJ decided to post some photos of him and your girl Asian the Brat to his social media, and it got the people talking. Even though the two recently put out a new song with each other, but it got the people talking because inside the photo, like, they look real comfortable with each other. He got his hand all propped up, touching on her ass, and she looked like she over there, giggly, looking so comfortable. And people want to know, like, Asian, is that your new boo thing? Well, your girl Asian the Brat came on social media and put that rumor to rest. Asian the Brat went on Twitter and wrote, "Business is business, and our song was dope. Thanks to his team that put that feature and video together. Song did 2 million in 3 days. No, we are not dating, talking on anything besides music. I was paid. I pulled up, very professional with my team. I did my very smile post with the pics, 100. Well, Asian, even though you said you went there professional and you did what you had to do, business is business, I feel like this picture definitely don't show no type of professionalism because you look too comfortable. Like, why do you have your friend's ex nigga hand propped up on your ass like that? Yes, I mean your friend ex nigga. Y'all forgot about Tokyo Vanity. Let's get into it. So verified sources hit me up and was like, yo, I see your post or whatever like that. They let me know that your girl Tokyo Vanity is not feeling Asian the Brat being posted up with her old nigga. Yes, my sources told me that Tokyo Vanity even felt a type of way that your girl Asian the Brat didn't even hear her up. Let her know, like, yo, I'm over here doing music and working with such and such, because if they had some type of relationship that they consider each other friends, I feel like, friends, you let friends know, listen, yo, I'm about to be over here with your ex nigga, just in case he posts some pictures and it looks crazy like it looks now. Like, it really could have been avoided. But yes, my sources told me that your girl Tokyo Vanity, even though she's going through some things, your girl Tokyo Vanity is not feeling Asian the Brat posting over her old nigga. And if you know, that is the guy that took her virginity, and she's just feeling like very, 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 very weird. And I want to know if Asian the Brat will address it. Will she try to hit up Tokyo? Will she say something about it? Because it's like, girl, you look real comfy. By y'all taking that photo, I don't know what the fuck y'all did in the studio afterwards. I don't even know. Now let's get into your girl Leray. Your girl Leray went on Twitter and wrote, "Paying blogs not to post me is sad. What's in the dark always come to the light. Stay prayed up, stay focused. Hurt people hurt people." And I noticed ever since, this little Queen Mix thing came out, and then, Nicki Minaj did her Queen Radio, and basically, put out a little story that we insinuate that was Coi Leray, let it be known that, Coi was out there talking shit because Nicki Minaj was dropping her song when Blick Blick was coming out. And if you guys know, remember Blick Blick came out and then We Go Up came out a couple of days after? Well, anyway, I've been knowing that your girl Coi Leray been going on social media saying some side little comments and having people wondering, like, who the fuck she talking about? When it comes down to social media, the fans and the stands, they take things in their own hands. And, over there you got the Barbs and you got Coi Leray fans, side-eyeing each other, subbing each other, commenting, and then it's just getting bigger and getting bigger and getting bigger because Coi Leray also noticed ever since that link up with Missy Elliott, like, you just been very boisterous. Like, you just been boisterous, and I feel like, why wait until Nicki Minaj bring up a scenario, bring up a story just for you to come out and say this? It's because y'all know what y'all was doing. All y'all girls was out there hating because Nicki Minaj dropped a fucking track with these girls on it, and y'all all was bitter. Everybody was quiet, sitting back watching, but then over there giving some negative feedback, but it's nothing negative because the song was a motherfucking smash. So your boy Rollin' Ray, Mr. Big Purr himself, saw what Coi Leray had to say about the blogs allegedly paying people not to post her, and he wasn't feeling it. Rollin' Ray said, "Baby, you are not Beyonce Beyonce, Lil Kim, Nicki Minaj, nor Cardi B. What is there to keep up with when your debut album ain't even sell more than 11,000 copies? And you have so many features, but when the talent doesn't add up with the sound, this is what happens. Tighten up, better days. I know Roland Ray throwing shots at Coi Leray can get old for some of you guys, but what he said is kind of facts. Because at the end of the day, Coi Leray, everybody's still posting you. Because I posted you. I just saw it on the neighborhood tour. They said they still posting you. All the blogs saying they still posting you. So who are you talking about? You can't be talking about anybody else, because obviously the people who obviously fuck with Nicki Minaj and support Nicki Minaj, we all been posting you, girls. So who's not posting you? I just feel like Coi Leray wish that people really gave her the hype that she's been wishing for. Because if we really want to, dive down and get into it, Coi Leray, the blogs was really posting you when you were out here performing and people were making fun of your shows or the crowd not performing. Like, that's the only time you get posted, besides, you going back and forth with your father, or you say a little tweet, people, insinuate and you talking about somebody. But that's the only time. And I just feel like the blogs and the people just, tired of y'all girls coming in this industry feeling so goddamn entitled. Like, y'all complain about the blogs when we post shit that's not in y'all favor, and then when we don't post y'all complain, because at the end of the day it's a win-win situation. Y'all need us to post y'all. Doesn't matter if it's good or bad, because y'all still getting traction. Y'all still end up getting fucking promo money off of it, because once something go viral, or y'all go on y'all goddamn story, oh, I'm doing promo now. But all this shit is just getting repetitive, and it's just like, if anybody want to say something, just get the damn mic, say what you gotta say, go on social media like y'all always do, and say what you gotta say. All this subbing, and I'm tired of it. Guys, let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Do you think your girl Asian Brat is messed up for linking up with her homegirl's ex-man without even hitting her up like, yo, I'm over here, about to work with such and such, and just in case you see this, I just want you to know, like, we over here working. I also want to know how you guys feel about this whole Coi Leray situation. Like, have y'all been seeing what I've been seeing ever since this whole little Queen Radio, story brings up a knowledge in a certain situation? The girl's really been, acting funny, trying to feed into the narrative of other people narratives of, Nicki Minaj being one way towards the girls. And it's like, I see everything before it fucking happened, and you guys, I'm one step way ahead of you guys. And do you agree with your boy Roland Ray when it comes down to your girl Coi Leray? Because girl, everybody's posting you, so who in particular you think paid somebody to stop posting you? Because girl, we posting. Guys, let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Thank you guys for fucking with me, because I fuck with y'all. And until next time, bye.
I got the